So a lot of questions we get around power quality events is where can we detect it? Do we know if it's coming from inside or outside the facility? So first and foremost, no matter where the node is put, if it's at a motor or if it's at a transformer or if it's all the way up at the actual utility where it's coming in or the mains coming in, we're able to detect that and let you know sort of where it's coming from based on the location. So for example, if it's at a motor and you just have a couple nodes installed on your main pieces of equipment, we're going to be able to see the voltage sag or the voltage react before the current reacts. And that lets us know it's coming from upstream and it's not coming from downstream of where that node's location is. So from a motor, obviously there are things that could happen if the current does spike or if there is an overload or that something jams in the load. That will create a current spike, but then the voltage will fall after. So it's a good way to just kind of give you a clear delineation of downstream or upstream. The next best place is going to be on the distribution of those pieces of equipment. So if you put it on the distribution of those pieces of equipment, now you're monitoring a lot more. So you can tell if it's from any of the downstream pieces of equipment or if it's coming from outside. And then the final best location, of course, is going to be at your mains, at the utility mains, to be able to really just immediately provide and prove if it's coming from the utility or coming from within your plant. We use this for a lot of customers to prove out that they're getting a lot of power quality events that they're not sure where they're coming from. And then when they have conversations with the utilities, they're able to provide this data, provide the evidence that it's certainly coming from outside the facility. So it's been a very useful tool. Nice part with the utility mains as well is you can look at the entire power usage. You get your apparent reactive power as well from there. So you kind of just monitor everything right from the utility main.
Improve your peace of mind. Contact Volta Insite today.